Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Steam game not launching. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head to your library tab, right click on the game that is not launching and click on properties. This is where you want to simply go ahead and verify your game files. Simply go ahead and head into the versions. If you haven't already updated it, simply go ahead and update it to the latest version. You can also check it here. The other things you can do is simply go ahead and try to uninstall and reinstall the game if it doesn't work. If that is not the case, you can also make sure that your Steam always runs as administrator. In order to do that, simply right click on the Steam tab, click on show more properties, and then click on properties. Now inside of this tab, you want to go to compatibility and then click on run this program as administrator and click on apply. That should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.